We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And follow your girl on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, okay? So, let's just talk about these bundles, okay? Let's just get into it. I don't want to waste no more time, okay? But yes, hello fall. I've been waiting on you. Look, baby girl. I'm down and up, but anyways. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the Brazilian Deep Wave. I have a 24, a 22, and a 20. I also have a 16-inch frontal, and guess what? It is HD lace. Okay, so let me just get all up in there so y'all can see this goodness, this glory I got going on right now. Like, can y'all see that? Girl, do you see that? Like, yes. Okay, so I got 3 units all together. I got 3 bundles all together and a frontal. I constructed a unit out of the bundles. I processed the hair, I want to say a total of like 3 times. So I processed the hair about 3 times. I got a little shedding from the hair, but for the most part, the hair held up really, really, really good. So I love that about it. I was kind of debating on, should I bleach it or should I just leave it at its natural state, and I'm so happy with the results of me actually bleaching it, because y'all know when you get curly hair, you have to subtract 2 inches, and I wanted that length. Like, baby girl, I didn't get 24 inches for nothing, okay? I didn't get 24 inches for nothing, y'all. Okay, and it's all the way down to the booty. The booty. But yes, y'all know I love me some length. Okay. And on top of that, these lashes that I got on, she provided. Okay, I got me some lashes from Iconik Gold. I was gonna go for the wet slick back look, but I'm glad that I didn't. Kind of like how it like falls. All right, but yeah. I might give it a trim because I bleached the hair a few times, but for the most part, this hair hasn't given me any problems. I put some mousse on it, I put some water on it, I scrunched the ends, I put a little just a little bit of got to be glue on the ends and scrunched it to avoid the frizziness at the bottom, and I sprayed a little oil sheen on it. But I do have a tutorial for you guys on how I achieved this color. So if you are interested, okay, if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching. I just want to say again, you guys, follow me on Instagram, okay? Your Papa Chin on Instagram. Also, don't forget, you guys, that I am doing 2 giveaways right now. If you're not following me on Facebook, baby, what is you doing? Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, okay? Because I got the giveaways popping for y'all. So you need to hurry up before the deadline, sis. All right? Also, but if you decide to purchase bundles from Iconik Gold Hair Collections, use my discount code PESOSX10, okay? And that'll get you 10% off of your next purchase, boo, okay? So help me help you, okay? Save you some coins in your pocket, okay, sis? But thank you guys so much again, and if you are looking forward to this tutorial, baby girl, keep watching, okay? Okay guys, so I normally don't I normally don't bleach my bundles with this tie still on it, but because I'm going for darker roots, the look that I'm trying to achieve, I'm going for darker roots. And I was hoping that maybe with me keeping this band on it, that will allow me to achieve that look without having to work extra hard. So I'm just gonna bleach this bottom part. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on, and then once I feel like I've got the desired look that I have with my bundles, I'm gonna take this off and see exactly how it looks. Now I might go in a second time because I don't necessarily want the roots to be black. I want this to be like maybe a honey color. I'm going to throw in some highlights and lowlights, but I want the roots to be like a soft brown. So wish me luck. By the way, these bundles are from Iconic Gold Hair Collection. So I have 3 bundles, 124, 122, 120, and then I have I think I have a 16-inch frontal. So, and this is the deep wave texture pattern. We're going to see how this all comes together. I'm going to customize make a unit out of this.
Mesmerizing music for the street.
So this is the color that I got basically. I think this is kind of sort of what I'm going for. I just made sure that I kept the roots dark by keeping the band on. So this is how everything is turning out so far. This is only 2 bundles. I do have a 3rd bundle that's processing right now, and I still have to do my frontal, but I just wanted to show you guys how everything has turned out. And as y'all can see, the curls are still there. They're intact. They're still popping. And this is Deep Wave by Iconic Gold Hair Collection. So yeah. Okay guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to go in and bleach my frontal. That way, you know, everything is basically the same color. I also want to continue to achieve that look of darker roots. So I won't be going all the way up when I'm bleaching this hair. I'm going to stop maybe to about right here. And if anything changes, I'll let you guys know. But yes, this frontal, I think this frontal is 16. It's either 14 or 16 inches. And this is the HD lace from Iconic Gold Hair Collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started.